Without a doubt, one of the biggest goals for majority of traders out there is to trade funded capital and to manage capital and that type of stuff. Or if not that, to trade large amounts of your own capital. I think every trader has a goal or an ambition to continue to scale up and trade more and more capital. And it can be quite devastating to your journey when you perceive yourself going the other way and losing capital, going in drawdown or losing funding and that type of stuff. I know from my personal experience in the last 6 years of the market, I've been through a few of those cycles myself where I really started to perceive myself moving and shaking and taking on capital and trading more and more, and also perceive myself not going in what I perceived the right direction to be and losing capital and going into deep drawdowns and that type of stuff. And what I wanted this video to be was the complete antithesis to what's out there on social media a lot of the times, where people are showing themselves off as hitting home runs and just win after win, that type of stuff. And I really wanted this video to be showing you the other side of trading and normalizing that and making sure that people understand that it's a necessary part of the journey. It's okay to lose capital. It's okay to go into drawdown and that type of stuff. And I think every single person understands that every perceived challenge sows the seed for a new opportunity. And what's initially perceived as a devastation, or what's initially perceived as hitting rock bottom, is exactly where you need to be to make the necessary refinements to get to where it is you would love to get to. And being through those cycles a few times and working with a lot of clients who've been through those cycles as well, I can say with absolute certainty that drawdowns, losing capital, losing funding, taking strings of losses, taking slippage, all these things that people perceive as negative things are essential for your journey, and they're essential for your growth. Because if you think about it, if we flip the scenario here and you perceive yourself hitting home runs day after day, day after day, day after day, there wouldn't be any things that you need to be, that you're becoming aware of that need refinement. And what tends to happen when you just have win after win after win after win is you get complacent and you don't have any feedback on what necessary refinements to make. So it's the drawdown, it's the losses, it's the losing of capital that is essential for maximum growth. Because a lot of the times, those things are the perfect feedback to make you aware of what refinements need to be made to then make those refinements, patch up your foundation and go again. And if I can pass on one message in this video, it's that. Don't see these as failures, see them as feedback. They're almost a coach, in a sense, pointing and highlighting the points in your trading and your processes that need refinement. Use that as feedback. Go in there and make the necessary refinements and go again.